Eldorado Park. What hope does the areas that I've never been to in my life have if I hang out in Eldos? Nobody is doing you a favor. Die Here het net ons oë oopgemaak. Julle wat so blou mal is en geel en ANC en DA, dink aan jou kinders. Die tyd wat ons mense soebat om te vote vir ons is verby. Gideon het ons geleer, luister na die woord van die Here. Want die woord van die Here sê, the will of God will never take you to where the grace of God cannot protect you. Ons gaan fyn as patriots. Ons gaan fyn as patriots. In conclusion, Eldorado Park must become the window of what happens when people are standing up. Change is going to come to Eldorado Park. Change is starting in the month of May in Eldorado Park. This will become one of the nicest looking places. I don't stay in Eldorado Park. But where I stay, we always joke about it. We can count our friends there. Can we count the votes got? Bakang is laughing because Bakang stays in the same area. We'll count the votes. We're like, there's one that didn't vote for us. How come we only got 11 votes? We must now find out. My daughter, so there was one we were looking for, didn't vote for us. My daughter then came back. She was 5. She said, Daddy, I just want to tell you, this uncle didn't vote for you. My uncle didn't vote for you. Hy sê, hey, meneer, kom liggie. Sy sê, Kenya says, Daddy, she voted for the red one in the middle. He voted for the red one in the middle. Ek gaan tegen die ballot. Hoe weet die kind van my? Die rooi in die middel. Toe gaan sien ek, EFF was in die middel. Ons was onder. Sê ek, oh, dankie my kind. So ek vra nou vir u vandag. Moenie 'n fout maak nie. Jy staan nie vir my op nie. Jy staan nie vir my kinders op nie.